Ladies and gentlemen, we're back again. Alex and Nick in the kitchen with another beautiful recipe combination smoothie for you. Nick,
this is the gourmet protein shakes of all gourmet protein shakes, the Pina Colada.
This sounds exotic.
It is exotic. Yes, it is exotic in Spain. I think in Greece it's also exotic.
I think people are thinking alcoholic when they think pina coladas.
I think they are.
But I'm looking forward to this because it's one of my favorite combos.
Yeah, this is the protein of all proteins. 100 grams of frozen pineapple, please, my friend. 100 grams.
I'm going to be generous. There you go.
Yeah, don't be shy.
A little bit more.
Don't be shy. 300 mils of coconut water.
300 mils.
So again, we're getting about 12 grams of carbs, 15 grams of carbs, maybe close to 30 grams of carbohydrates. Again, post-workout, we want the hydrolyzed WPI.
Talk us through the difference between like a hydrolyzed protein and what the benefits would be for some of the beautiful people at home.
Okay, beautiful people, the hydrolyzing process is a natural, chemical-free enzyme process. So the protein, the longer chain proteins get broken down through this process to shorter chains. So these short chain proteins absorb very, very quickly. So in simple terms, straight after workouts, this high percentage protein is the fastest digesting protein that you can get next to free-form amino acids because of the hydrolyzing process. There we go, my friend. We've got 35 grams, 36 grams of protein, about 30 grams of carbohydrates. We need the secret ingredient to a beautiful gourmet shake.
What is that, team?
ICE, my friend. And you know what? I think along with the ice with this one, I think we should spark this one up.
Yeah, should we add a few of these? Should we get a bit crazy?
Well, I reckon we should use the desiccated coconut myself.
All right, let's do it.
You feeling that?
I'm feeling a bit more desiccated coconut. Why not? I mean, I feel like it's just easy. It goes with everything.
Yeah, it really does.
Where I think without changing the nutritional profile too much.
Yes.
You know, because I think if we're throwing in the nuts, then we're obviously changing it.
Yeah.
Depending on what people want. But again, for the people at home, they can do that. If you want more fats, guys, feel free.
Which I'd suggest in a protein shake, you could put or very much at nighttime to slow the digestion. But post-workout, we don't want to add fats to this shake to slow the digestion.
Want to get it in.
Get it in fast, get it to the muscle site. Not going to do it, Alex, I don't think, that one. Keep going, we'll be here all night. We'll be here all night.
I'm trying to be authentic with this.
Yeah, the Pina Colada.
That's how they're usually made, but not this one.
Not this.
Yeah, she's,
we could have put some more coconut water in that, couldn't we?
I was going to say it's probably a bit thick, but I don't mind a thicker shake, especially if you're hungry.
Absolutely.
But again, you can always add more water, like you said. Maybe perhaps a bit too much ice.
Yeah, yeah. A bit more coconut water would not hurt. I want to see you pour this. This is going to be a challenge to pour this one.
I've got skills. I can do this.
I've got to see. Do you want a spoon?
Skills to pay the bills. No, I got this. Really? I reckon I got this.
Okay, let's see.
I don't make an embarrassment of myself if I don't get this now.
Let's get it in. So this is good. This has become a gourmet. This is a gourmet Pina Colada thick shake now, this one.
Oh, it is. Look at that.
It's living up to the Colada name. Colada. Oh, yeah.
Spilt a little bit.
I think I'm going to need a spoon for this one.
We might need a spoon for that. Look at that.
You know what, though? You've outdone yourself. This is the dessert option of the Pina Colada.
And why not? Look at that. There you go. You know what the kitchen's made for, guys? You know what you don't normally see? This. Because guess what? You make a mess and that's all right. As long as most of it goes in your mouth.
That's right. And most incredible creations, groundbreaking creations, are usually mistakes. So folks,
like the deconstructed cake. When literally a chef took it out of the kitchen, fell over, dropped the cake, brought it back to the table. What is it? Deconstructed cake. True story.
Was that a Scouse chef? That was a Scouse? That's why you don't see any Scouse chef.
Probably. What's that? It's a deconstructed cake there, mate. So we've got a deconstructed pina colada, but you know what, Nick? I know this is going to taste great.
It's going to taste amazing.
So guys, this is to recovery.
To recovery. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. That's so good, though.
Yeah, that's good. That's really good. You do need a spoon. You need a spoon, but that is good.
There's a spoon on that. And that is nice stuff. That's my favorite now. That cherry comes close, though.
That's really good.
That cherry comes close, but I like that.